Beyond the clouds where the light begins to fade, a thousand voices in a symphony display. I feel the pressure of the atmosphere ignite. We're climbing higher to the edges of the night. The silver lining of a world we left behind is just a fragment of the secrets we will find. I hear the ringing of the crystal in the air, a sacred melody that meets us everywhere. It's the sound of heaven calling out your name, a golden frequency that sets the soul aflame. Can you hear the rhythm of the stars above, wrapped in the harmony of everlasting love? The sound of heaven is the beat within my chest. In the eternal light, we find a final rest. Accelerate until the shadows disappear. The pitch is rising and the message become